In this video, I'm using a licensed SVG file to create a Christmas sock that will be ready for 3D printing in just a few minutes. Leveraging other people's talent is a great way to boost both your productivity and the quality of your designs in Fusion while becoming part of a creator ecosystem. Find your SVG file on your computer and insert it on your selected sketch plane. If your file is upside down, don't worry. You can adjust the orientation using the rotation wheel, angular degree settings, or the horizontal and vertical flip buttons. Once you're satisfied with the position and orientation of your sketch, finish it. Fixed SVG sketches are easy to spot. They'll show up in green. I'm happy with the height of this sock, but you can always adjust the scale of your sketch if you want to make it bigger or smaller. Now, let's extrude the sock. Use a positive volute to match the direction of the arrow and set the height to 2 mm. That gives you the base to work with. Next, we'll add details. When selecting parts of the sketch, keep in mind that dragging from left to right selects everything completely covered. If you select too much, hold Shift and click to deselect unwanted lines. For the details, we'll extrude them by 3 mm, which adds depth to your 3D print. If you're working with a printer that has only one extruder, you can add a layer break after 2 mm and switch the filament for the final millimeter. That way, your details will stand out. I added the details to the back of the model by mistake, but it's an easy fix. You can rotate the model if you want to view the front of your Christmas sock from the correct angle. Select all the bodies. The details will be separate bodies. Press M for copy move and rotate the model 180 degrees around your chosen axis. It's always better to start on the correct side, so watch for this when you create your sock. Before we finish up, here are some design ideas to inspire you. You could add a hole at the top to hang the sock, attach a magnet to the back to place it on your fridge, or even 3D print a name or custom text on it. Adding appearances to multiple bodies is easy. Just select them all. Finally, save your project before exporting the STL file. You can do this from the drop-down menu, but remember that you'll need an internet connection for the cloud export. Leave any requests in the comments, and I'll see if I can make a video about them. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.